Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Nubia Redmagic 6R, and in this video tutorial we would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start off, we would like to show you the feature that allows you to lock your screen with your own fingerprint. So in order to set it up, you gotta launch settings, then enter the password, fingerprint and face detection category, go for the fingerprint section, and tap on the add fingerprint option. After that, choose what backup method you would like to set. The list of available options are pattern, PIN or password. I'm more of the pattern guy myself, so I'll go for it. Then draw the pattern and confirm it. After that, we can start enrolling the fingerprint by basically you can do that by laying your finger onto the scanner that is located under the lower or bottom part of your display. So like so. Gradually lay and lift the finger onto the scanner. Make sure that the full surface of the fingerprint will be scanned. You need to also slightly rotate your fingerprint each time you scan it. If you have the protective glass installed like I do, you can also apply a small force while laying your finger onto the sensor or onto the scanner, because it is not that sensitive with the protective layer on. So enroll the fingerprint, wait until it will congratulate you and say that everything has been successfully added. And now we can start using the fingerprint unlock method. Works like a charm. Alrighty, moving on to the second feature, that is another biometrical way of unlocking the screen. As you could already guess, it is going to be the face recognition. In order to set it up, you'll need to involve way less efforts. Simply scan your face by putting it inside the circle frame. I'll do it off the screen real quick. Alrighty, so my face has been successfully scanned. And now I suppose I can start using the Face ID feature. Already, as you could have just seen, that the moment I align the selfie camera with my face, the screen gets unlocked. Now they are not aligned, but as you can see, once I point the front camera to the face, the display gets unlocked without any difficulties whatsoever. Alrighty, so the next feature, or should I say option, that we wanted to highlight in this video is located at the display category of settings. It is called the screen refresh rate. There are 4 values we can choose from: 60, 90, 120 and 144 Hz. Long story short, higher values the higher you go, the smoother and silkier animations you will get. Good for games, good for some graphical content viewing or what's not. You'll decide for what particular you can use some extra smoothness. But at the same time, the higher you go, the faster you will lose the power or drain the battery. So if you would like to conserve it, just opt for the lower values or more values to the middle. If your power or the power that you have left is sufficient, opt for the higher values, obviously. I think that, the best value to have is 90 or 120. I'll actually set it to be 120 since my battery is, fairly sufficient. Alrighty, moving on to the next configuration that is located at the lock screen launcher and theme category. And if you didn't know, you can change the whole theme of your interface. So there are 4 themes in my case to choose from. There is a very cool preview in order for you to understand how the icons will look in it and what default wallpaper it will have, which obviously you'll be able to change the wallpaper later. So right now that's how my system looks, kind of minimalistic, like defaulty. And once I apply this theme, as you can see, everything changes. the style of icons, the shape of icons, even the whole vibe of the interface. So if you are into this kind of stuff, just go ahead for it. There are also a few other, so I had this one, I've just set it to be the first theme. Now let's see how the future tech looks like so. And let's also check the cyberpunk. Already, I'll simply return everything to be regular and defaulty, should I say. So this one, Colorful International. So what a wonderful name for interface theme. Alrighty, moving on to the fifth and last option that we wanted to highlight in this video. It is a very cool feature to set up that is called Always on Display, a very well-known feature as well. So basically, this option, this function allows you to display some crucial data like time, date, let's say left power, even once the screen is completely turned off, is completely blacked out. So in order to activate it, tap on this cog icon and switch on the toggle. You can set some start time for it to be, well, displayed from some time to, well, other time. Then, I guess, I gotta check one thing. If I'll click it, tap to the screen, it will not reveal it. So, basically just set the time frames that you would like to see or for the Always on Display to be activated between. So currently it is set to be active from 7 AM to 12 PM, which I'll set to, well, be displayed from 12 AM to 11:59 PM. So it will be basically permanent, well, excluding the 1 minute, I guess. So let's see whether it will, yep, now it is being displayed. That's what information will be shown. Time, date, day of the week, and the state of battery. You can also adjust its brightness, increase or respectively decrease. The turn on or turn off the pick up your phone to show function. Decide whether you would like for the AOD to be automatically switched off once your power is low, once your battery reaches the the battery level reaches the mark of 10% and below. And then whether you would like to have a dedicated desktop shortcut for it, like this one. So you'll be able to directly access it from your home screen. Next, so basically we have seen all that is over here. Next, we can choose the design and theme of our Always on Display. So there are quite a few categories of default appearances. So time, video. You can also add custom ones or set AOD to each time be random one. Some preloaded gift, or not gift, of course, GIFs. Images. You can also choose whether you would like to some of this text to be displayed or set up your own if you'd like to, of course. Analog clock designs and digital clock designs. So choose what design will satisfy you. I'll go with a little avocado GIF. So here we can choose whether we would like for the time to be shown, as well as choose the position. So I'll apply the changes, and now, as you can see, the AOD theme or appearance or design has been successfully altered. Alrighty, so that will be it, not only for the AOD but for this video in general. So thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your time, and bye bye.